Today I'm going to be trying these interior scrub pads. I've seen quite a few detailers use them and I thought, oh, I'll give them a go. I thought it'd be a good idea to try them on the likes of the lever. I've already tried it on this steering wheel and it's made such a difference. But now I'm going to try it on my Recaro seats in my S3 8L. As you can see, screws a mess in the back, but it's what it is. As for cleaner, I'm going to use Meguiar's. I'm going to see how it goes. So I'm going to apply some of the cleaner on here. That should be enough. And I'll just try it on one section of the seat, so clean here. You can see the colour changing already. That's just dirt and stuff. I haven't cleaned these for a while. It's not actually too bad. A bit gross, but it seems worse. The great thing about the scrub pad is it's like this material. The only way I can describe it is like pipe cleaners, like that sort of material, but it just picks up all the dirt. A bit like a magic eraser, but not abrasive. So far, so good. Right, I'm just going to buff it now. So you got like a microfiber side to it. And I will show you a before and after I clean the seat. Keep in mind, these are 18-year-old seats, and I'm probably the only owner who's actually bothered to take care of them. But yeah, they're not too bad for the age of the car. But yeah, no, it looks pretty good. I will show you the driver's side, which obviously I haven't cleaned yet. So yeah, I'll show you that now. As you can see, this is the driver's side now. Yeah, looks pretty good. I'm waiting to clean this one now, and I will show you how it looks afterwards. This is the steering wheel, as you can see. It has got wear. It's an old car, but it's what it is. See, a lever's not meant to be shiny. When it's shiny, it's normally oils from your skin, and it's pretty gross. The steering wheel used to be really shiny, and yeah, as you can see, it came out pretty dirty. And I keep my car clean as best as I can, and I clean it pretty often. But this was another steering wheel I bought recently, so this is the first time giving it a proper clean. So this is the seat afterwards, after I gave it a clean with the scrubber. You can tell it's really taking off the dirt and stuff. This is just the towel I was using to buff off the product. Yeah. And my thoughts on this, yeah, definitely really good. It's perfect for like the likes of this sort of material as well, because it's textured and it really gets into it. As you can see, I've cleaned this door card. Looks good. Just need to clean that one. But yeah, no, I'm really impressed with it. I got 5 of these for $14.95 off eBay. I'll provide a link in the description. So yeah, I definitely recommend these. They're a lot better than using like likes of brushes and stuff. Brushes just put product everywhere, and some people attach brushes to drills, which is good for cleaning like cup holders and stuff. But yeah, no, I think these are really good. Definitely a tool you want to have in your arsenal, especially if you like detailing cars and stuff. Yeah, like and subscribe and leave a comment below what you think.